Hello everyone. Today's video we're going to be doing is Union Pacific preserved steam locomotives. So let's get started. Union Pacific 737 preserved. Union Pacific 119. Well, only as a replica, because the original one was scrapped in 1903. Union Pacific 5511, the only surviving 210-2, which is gonna be donated to Railroading Heritage of Midwest America to be restored to operating condition. Union Pacific 9000 class, 1 preserved. The largest non-articulated locomotive ever existed. Union Pacific 060 switchers, 6 of them preserved. Union Pacific Challengers, 2 of them, 3985, which is going to be donated to that same place as 5511, and 3977, the Challenger with the Greyhound paint scheme. Union Pacific Big Boys, 8 of them preserved, while 1 is on steam excursions, which is 4014. Union Pacific 462 Pacifics, 2 of them preserved. Union Pacific 282 Mikados, 4 of them preserved. Union Pacific 460, 2 of them preserved. Union Pacific FEF series, 4 of them preserved. Union Pacific FEF 1, number 814. Union Pacific FEF 2, 833. And Union Pacific FEF 3, number 838, which is only used for donor parts for Union Pacific 844, the only steam locomotive that's never been officially retired. Union Pacific 280 consolidations, 21 of them preserved. And that's all. See you later, guys.